Big game Arsenal up there. Arsenal haddaan meel saad weyn tuuga ciyaartan gaalay alla shaytaan ku taan nindood habeen qaday
to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound. This must be amongst the favoured arenas of supporters all over the world. It really does have a very special figure. We did just miss it. We are up and running already. You can almost tell that this game is going to be about one man and one man only. It's Prince. Francesco Totti, easily one of the greatest creative forwards ever. And you could see him as a pioneer when you look back at that false nine role. And you just know he's going to be involved. Yeah, always clever and cheeky and always up to something. Hoists it forward. Jorginho. And here's Mane. And it's Chilwell. The change to the score. 0-0 it remains. Loose ball. Who's going to get there? Now the counter. Neymar. Firmino. Has a pop! Oh, yeah, the shot was enabled due to some smart control and technique. Rafael Varane. Now it's Mohamed Salah. It's got through. Showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it out. Now it's Totti. And it's Mane. Chilwell is charging up on the overlap. Great delivery and a finish to match. As contact goes, that was tremendous, and it helped him to direct it exactly where he wanted it to that net. I think when it comes to the area of the top, this fella's no slouch. Deadlock broken, it's 1-0. Well, just listen to the reaction. I think you can hear the approval from the support all around the stadium. Firmino. And it's played forward. Could move up a gear here. Nice to get it forward quickly. Shelby. Approaching half time and still behind. They make something happen now. England. PK. Rafael Varane. Pellegrini. Pellegrini drives it forward. Gets away from his opponents. Firmino. Deep into first half stoppage time. A crucial goal.
المشاوي ولا كذا.
Decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning.
الله.
Half-time whistle goes. Well, it has been an even contest, as the scoreline suggests, and it has been more than deep to watch. Reflections on the first half? Well, we thought this would be close. It's proven us right so far. They're well matched, and it presents a fascinating battle which to see who emerge on top or otherwise. It's competitive, certainly, and a goal each. We're already back on the way here. No changes at half-time that we're aware of. Neymar. And here's Roberto Firmino. And out to safety. Ball's loose, who's getting there? Van Dijk goes looking. Forward it goes. Forward it goes. Not going to make any further progress now. Luton. And it's played forward. That's been on straight back. And it's Chilwell. Pellegrini with a good steal, well played. Into a promising move. Jonjo Shelvey. Luton tries to get it forward quickly. Neymar. Firmino. He's had that. Mohamed Salah. Change here. So we have a breakthrough. Now how things develop from here. Every minute seems to focus.
有估计挨上姑姑的还有吧？没有姑姑的是。Cheap foul to give away. Should have put that away. Oh, it's so very disappointing, but they can't dwell on it. They've got to go again. Simple as. It's desperately short. Here's a corner. The short one. Ball is over the line.
محتاج أنا
England. And here's Neymar. Has a goal!
Close, but time for no more. The whistle has gone.
Sweet for me. Kung dami